Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. In this video I'm just going to show you some plants that I've been purchasing to put in the garden for this season. I'll bring you in close. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you want to get notified of my videos coming, just hit that notification bell right by the subscribe button and you will get emailed every time I upload a new video. One seed that I normally grow is rosemary. Some plants at our local store here, and I just went ahead and purchased this rosemary. Look how nice these plants are. I love this herb. I love to use it on roast and chicken, and they just do so well here in our area. I cannot winter them here though. I usually pull them up, either pot them up and bring them indoors, or I just pull the whole plant up and dry them. But look at these plants, aren't those nice? The next thing is onion plants. This is granics. Look at those, aren't those nice? I'll be planting them this week in the garden. Aren't those great looking? Nice bulbs already. Nice little onions. Next one is copra onions. Another one I really like. Ain't them wonderful? These onions, I usually let them set in water for a little while before I plant them, so it just rehydrates them and they do so much better in the garden. Hey everyone, another day, more plants. We were able to get out today. So we got out, we went to a couple stores, and I was able to find some tuberous begonias non-stop. I have grown these before when I had the greenhouse, and I found these today, and look at the pretty dark leaves. Aren't them beautiful? They're red flowers. Love red. You don't get a lot of red flowers. So this is going to be really nice, and what's really nice about this, I should be able to grow them indoors, just like I've done with some of my other begonias. But these like a sun to part shade area, okay? More on the shade side because they will burn, their leaves will burn, right? So when it says non-stop, that means non-stop bloom. They will bloom now and through the summer and into the fall. They should be blooming as long as you feed them and give them what they need. So I purchased 3 of them, and just look how pretty those are. Just look at that. I don't know why, but I really love begonias, and I think a lot has to do with I can bring them in as a house plant, you know, so they're just really pretty, right? So I wanted to share that with you. The next thing is I bought a patio tomato. Have you ever grown these patio tomatoes? As you can see, look how full, look how beautiful them leaves are. Aren't them pretty? I'll give you a close-up of both of these plants here in a minute. But I've grown this patio plant from seed before, and I seen it today at one of our local farm and garden stores, so I just purchased it. It's so much easier sometimes. But this is a nice plant that you can put, you know, in a pot on your patio. That's why they call it a patio tomato. And I've also put them in gardens, but they don't get real big. These produce 3 to 4 ounce fruits. Not real big, but they're kind of nice, and they'll be great that you can just toss in a salad, cut them up, tossing them in a salad. Or if you just like those smaller tomatoes, this will be perfect for you. So this is the patio tomato. So let me get you close now. We'll see. I'll show you these close up. You'll be able to get to see how really nice they are close up. All right, there's the patio tomato. Can you see how full it is? Look at the richness of the leaves. Look at that. And they're thick, nice and thick and sturdy. Really stout looking plant. Really nice. Here's the tuberous begonias. Bronze green color leaves with veining. Very pretty. Look at the detail in those leaves. They kind of have the edging of the leaves are just beautiful. Look at that. I am a huge fan of begonias. Pretty, right? Well, I looked for carrots. This one here is an heirloom carrot, and it's called Touch On. I've never heard of it, but we're going to grow it, and we're going to see how it grows here. I do have a lot of carrots saved from last year in the freezer, but I always like to have some fresh ones. Swiss Chard, rainbow of colors. Days to harvest, 30 to 60 days. Now, Swiss Chard, you hear a lot about it. It's a really pretty plant, and it's supposed to be very, very good for you to put in salads and whatnot. I'm not real familiar with Swiss Chard, but I'm going to learn real quick on how it grows here in our area. So I bought peppermint, and I'm going to use it for tea, is what I want to use it for, or maybe just cold drinks, because it's supposed to be good for your digestive system. And also, it adds zest to sauces, vegetables, meats, potato dishes, potpourri, jelly as for a garnish to iced drinks, melons or ice cream. Interesting. So I'm going to grow this one. As you know, this one can get probably kind of invasive, so I'm going to have to make sure I put it in an area where I don't care how it grows, or maybe put it in a big pot that it can just take off in the pot. Alright, so today's May 7th, and I just wanted to give you just a little view of some plants and different seeds that I'm working on. But I already got radishes, onions, potatoes, carrots, and lettuce in the garden way back there. Can you see? This is where it's raining out today, so I'm not going to go out, but I got all that back there. I use straw for my mulch and to keep the weeds down, and I really love it. It works great. So the garden's coming along, the grass is coming along really nice, and I'm really happy with the way things are. We are cooler now though in the Midwest for a few more days. The nights are getting in the 30s again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got growing. What are you going to do new this year in the garden? I'd love to hear from you. Just put it down in the comments box. And I also will have some information on some of the things like the Swiss Chard, all the benefits the Swiss Chard has to your health. I'll put that down in the description area just to kind of give you some information if you're interested in growing it. And we will see you on the next video. Let me know what you got growing on. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.